I'm Shani. Today I'm going to explain on the topic electric motor. What is meant by electric motor? It is a device which is used to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Then what is the basic principle? Electrical energy converted into mechanical energy. What is the basic principle of electric motor? Magnetic effect of electric current. Then we know that it is a rectangular coil, current carrying conductor. Current carrying conductor placed between magnetic field, it experiences a force. That is the basic principle of electric motor. Then here, what are the basic parts of electric motor? Here one coil is there. This is rectangular coil A, B, C, D. Rectangular coil of insulated copper wire placed between strong magnet. This is strong magnet. Then end of this armature coil. Here end of this armature coil connected with two rings, that is split rings. Split rings. Then split rings is also known as commutator. Split rings is also known as commutator. P and Q. Then again this another X and Y. This is split rings connected to two brushes, that is X and Y. It is stationary. Can't change this. Then again it is connected to battery and key. These are the basic parts of electric motor. Armature coil. Armature coil means it is a rectangular coil. Rectangular coil of insulated copper wire. The next one is magnet. That is strong magnet we are using. Then why we are using this strong magnet? It is a rectangular coil, current carrying conductor. Placed between this magnet, it experiences a force. Then next one is split rings. Two rings we are using. Another name is commutator. What is the basic function? What is the basic functions of this split rings? Then it reverses the direction of current. It reverses the direction of current. Next one, brushes. That is, it is stationary. Just connected to battery and key. Proper connection. Okay. Next one, battery and key. Battery, from battery only we are using this current flows through this circuit. Key is closed. That means current passes through this circuit. Open, it cannot pass through this circuit. Then, how it will work? How? What is the working? What is the working of this electric motor? Then first one I told rectangular coil. Okay. Then rectangular coil connected to split rings. Again connected to two brushes. Again battery and key. From this battery we know that current is passes through the circuit. Enters through the rectangular coil side AB. Then according to our Fleming's left hand rule, then here is strong magnet is there. Then automatically we know that magnetic field experiences a force. Then current passes through this direction AB, but force direction is just opposite. It is downwards. Then this side it is, that is current direction is CD, but force direction is, that is upwards, D to C. Then again it is connected to split rings and brushes connected to key. Again this current passes through this side also. Then what happened? Here it is connected to this. Then here sender. I already told two brushes are stationary. Inside this that is split rings. Then one side outside is connected to two brushes. Inside is connected to one axis. Then we know that current is passes through the circuit. Then what happened? It is force experience due to this magnetic field force is experienced. reverse the direction of current. Current is reversed. Then again, what happened? This AB is just opposite. CD is first current is passes through this side A to B. Then just opposite it will. That means this it will rotate. Then Q side it will be then AB side. Then P side it will be connected to CD side. This axis it will rotate. Then again next half cycle what happen? Again automatically again it will come that again one more direction it will change. Continuously it will change this half rotation happen. Then this mechanical energy, electrical energy converted into mechanical energy. These are the working. This is the working of electric motor. First main parts this one. Then principle is magnetic effect of electric current. The working, here we are using strong magnet. In between we are keeping one armature coil, rectangular coil ABCD of insulated copper wire. Connected to outside is connected to commutator. Then inside is connected to axle. Again this outside is connected to two brushes. Then to battery and key. Then what happens? Current is passes through the circuit. From this battery, current is passes through the circuit. Then current direction is A to B. This side it is C to D. Then force direction is just opposite. One is first is upside means force direction is downward. Then here is upside. Then due to this what happened? Experience a force. This axis just rotated. Half rotation happened. Then again what happened? Again this Q. This is rotated means this Q commutator this side. Q it is connected to this side. Then P it will change to this side. Again one more time. This side it is again current is passes. Again first half it like this. Again half rotation happen. Okay. Continuously this mechanical energy converted into electrical energy. These are the working. This is the working of electric motor. Thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss on the topic electromagnetic induction.